Understanding Crossroads in Life, a guide to navigating life's big decisions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the beauty and complexity of the English language. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, crossroads in life. This metaphor is rich in meaning and is often used to describe pivotal moments where decisions can significantly impact our lives. Let's unpack this together and understand how it can be applied in our daily conversations and reflections. The phrase, crossroads in life, refers to a point in a person's life where they must make a crucial decision. This decision usually involves a significant change, such as choosing a career path, deciding to move to a new city, or starting or ending a relationship. The imagery of a crossroad, a place where two or more roads intersect, beautifully captures the essence of having to choose among different directions, each leading to a distinct future. To fully appreciate the phrase, it's helpful to know a bit about its origins. The concept of a crossroads has been symbolic in many cultures throughout history, often associated with both opportunity and uncertainty. In literature and folklore, crossroads are depicted as places where significant events occur, decisions are made, or fates are altered. This deep-rooted metaphorical meaning emphasizes the weight of the decisions made at life's crossroads. Let's look at some examples to see how this metaphor applies to real-life situations. 1. Choosing a career path after graduating from college can feel like standing at a crossroad, with each road leading to a different future. 2. Deciding whether to move to a new city for a job opportunity presents a crossroad, where one must weigh the benefits against the sacrifices. 3. Ending a long-term relationship or starting a new one can also represent a crossroads, as it significantly affects one's personal journey. These scenarios underscore the transformative potential of the choices made at life's crossroads. Navigating life's crossroads requires introspection, advice, and sometimes, courage. Here are a few tips. Reflect on your values and long-term goals. Seek advice from trusted friends, family, or mentors who understand your situation. Consider the consequences of each path, not just the immediate outcomes but the long-term implications. Remember, it's okay to take your time making these decisions. Rushing can lead to regret. Crossroads in life is a powerful metaphor that reminds us of the pivotal moments where our choices define our paths. Understanding and reflecting on these crossroads can help us make informed decisions that align with our deepest values and aspirations. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and significance of this phrase for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Stay curious and keep learning.